Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Healthy 5 with Dr. Niyati. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and also don't forget to press the notification bell icon so that you get notified about my latest videos. If you've liked my videos, don't forget to comment and like them. It gives me an impetus to make different new videos for you. Today I've come with Panchakarma, the second part. I'd given you an introduction about what exactly is Panchakarma, what is the Purva Karma, like pre-operative and post-operative process of Panchakarma. Today I'll tell you a little bit about the pre-operative process that we undergo before doing Panchakarma. So the pre-operative process is of two types, internal and external. I'll speak about the external pre-operative first. The external pre-operative process consists of applying oil to the body. Now, I'll just say applying oil to the body because there is no other word for snehan in English. So we usually say massage. And when we talk about massage, what comes to mind is a massagist who takes good amount of oil and nicely presses you down, But that's not how the snehan has to be done. We all know now that our skin is made of pores. And these pores have to be opened for something to go into the skin. As we all know, heat is a factor which opens these pores. So if you think logically, what we do in Panchakarma centers is we take a little bit of heated oil. The oil is always heated a little bit. You take it on your palm, and while you're watching this also, you could do this with your plain palm also. Just rub it vigorously on your skin and you will feel hot. We do the same thing when we rub oil on the soles of our feet at bedtime, isn't it? We remove the heat from the body, or we create the heat. So as you create the heat on your skin, what happens is that the pores open and the oil seeps inside the body. Now this oil goes to those parts where there is stiffness, tightness, shortening of muscles, tendons, ligaments, and it helps to lubricate them. Along with that, when we give Swedan, that means fomentation. So the fomentation can be dry, it can be by steam. So according to Ayurveda, there are 13 different types of fomentation. But due to practical purposes, today in most of the Panchakarma centers, we use about 4 or 5 of these types of fomentations in order to relieve your pain or as a pre-operative process before Panchakarma. So what happens is that because of this fomentation, the oil that has gone inside your body, it has taken away the toxins that are stuck up to your body, maybe to your visceral fat, to your viscera, to your intestines, wherever. And it has taken all those toxins and it has come into your alimentary canal. Okay. Now they have to also be loosened. There are some places where they are tightened and loosened. So the fomentation itself helps in loosening all this and keeping it ready for the Panchakarma that has to be done. Now what happens is that many a times this Purva Karma or pre-operative itself is a therapy. You don't need to do all the Panchakarmas. For example, if there is a person who comes to me who is complaining of knee joint pains, and I realize that the ligaments, the muscles and the tendons around the knees are really tightened, then I will give them a rub down, full massage or a rub down of oil for the full body so that this oil is absorbed through the pores of the full body. They also get the detox effects in other parts of the body as well as in the knee joint. And when I do the fomentation, the pores really open and all the oil that I have rubbed onto the body seeps inside, goes into the muscles, the tendons, softens them up. And once they are softened, they start supporting the knee in a better way and the knee joint gets cured, its pain gets reduced, and thus a pre-operative process itself acts as a therapy in itself. So many a times we are not required to do all the Panchakarmas, but we can do just the pre-operative and cure a patient. Now in the internal pre-operative process includes drinking of ghee or oil. Okay, now don't get worried, this oil that you have consumed through your mouth does not rise your cholesterol. Many tests have been done on this. People have been given oil and ghee to drink. Their serum cholesterol, triglycerides has been checked. Then they have been given Panchakarma. Then also their cholesterol, triglycerides have been checked and they are completely under control. Sometimes they've even been reduced. So how does this work? When we drink oil or ghee according to our Prakriti, the Vaidya will decide. If you are a Kapha Prakriti patient, you need to drink oil or ghee for 3 days. If you are a Pitta Prakriti, you need to drink it for 5 days. And if you are a Vata Prakriti, you need to do the same thing for 7 days. Then there is a gap of a couple of days, and then you're given fermentation, complete body fermentation. So this oil that has taken all the toxins out of your body, it comes and has settled into your alimentary canal, and now your body is ready to undergo the Panchakarma. So these videos are so that you don't get scared of the treatment that you're going to undergo. Always remember, the doctor will decide according to your Prakriti whether it is safe, whether it is right to be given Panchakarma. Because in Charak, the main textbook which explains all these Panchakarma, there are several rules about who should be given Panchakarma, who should not be given Panchakarma. So the Vaidyas decide according to your Prakriti, according to your disease, which karma is required. These videos are only for an educational purpose, and only so that you know exactly what is Panchakarma. You are not in the dark. You know what you're going through. Your body is going to get purified. You're going to feel like a fresh person. Your disease is going to be, it's going to go out of your body. So your body is going to be light. Your body is going to get detoxified. So there are many, many effects that you're going to get after doing this Panchakarma. So if you've liked this video, do comment. If you have any questions, and if you would like me to make any other videos also, you can leave your comments in the comment box. I do read your comments and it gives me an impetus to make different videos. Like I said, it cheers me up too. And so please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet done so, and don't forget to press the notification bell icon. Tell your friends and family about my channel if you have liked it. Thank you.